What's up guys, it's the Morons Hex, and in today's video I'll present you my new project series which I actually have think of these days. And no, this is not the car we were talking about, but it's the same series we are searching actually. Guys, I'm starting series which I will buy cars, BMW cars mostly. I hope only BMW, but we will see that in the future. And this is the first episode. I'm going to start with my budget, which is 1.5k euro in Bulgarian currency. That's 3000 leva, and that's my starting budget. I'll try to buy nice BMWs, to drive them for you, to show different driving of it, and at the same time sell them with minor upgrades or without even touching them at a higher price. Our market is really small. It's not like in the US market where this would be fairly easy thing, but here market is really slow. It's really small also, so it will be a really hard thing. It will take a lot of time, but we see where we can reach. For example, if we make 500 or 200 or 300 euro per car, if we sell 10 cars in a period of time, for example 1 year, because the average time of selling cars so far, I have sold 40 cars in my life, around there, and average time is between 1 and 2 months. Never mind the fact the car was actually, for example, good or bad. It approximately takes 1 to 2 months to sell your car here, and sometimes I have sold my car for 4 or 5 months on little bit on the average price of the market. And it's really taking long here in our country to sell a car. Well, sometimes it can happen in 2 to 5 days, but that's really very rare case, and it hasn't happened to me, and I have sold a lot of cars, guys. So we'll start with that budget, and I hope we'll make the budget bigger. We'll get nicer and bigger engines inside the BMW's Coupe and other BMW cars, so that we can finally reach some nice price. Of course, after every sale I'll put to the budget from me another money. Also, if there is no revenue, we will at least we'll have fun with that car, and we'll sell it at least for its price which we have already bought it for. So guys, a great journey. Subscribe to us right now, don't forget to put notification on, and we are ready to start. I have money in my pocket, and we are ready to start with the first car to buy. I'm gonna take my laptop now, go in X, and we're gonna find some good deals. Let's go, guys. Let's find my laptop first. I think it's here. Yeah, it's here. Okay, let's go to my X5. Look at it, how shiny is it. Okay guys, we are already inside. This is my laptop. I am opening it now, and let's see what BMW can we buy here in my area in Bulgaria. What BMW can we buy for that amount of money? I will be searching for something like a 4 or 2-door car, maybe sedan or coupe, because they are easier to sell. I'll also search now only for petrol, because for that lower price we don't want old nasty diesels. So I'll be searching, for example, for third series. Let's get it here on car selling websites, and I'll put you on my screen just right now in order to browse together. So let's see what we can find now, guys. I'm so excited about this. We'll drive different cars, enjoy, and after all we can have a little profit. But the car can also broke, so we can be on minus on some of the cars. It's all part of the game, guys. Let's start with the first car we will buy. Okay guys, already seeing you my screen. So now I have to say that in Bulgaria we have two main websites for that purpose. It's mobile.bg. That website is available with other domains here, .g, .com maybe, and cars.bg. Here we will find our car, BMW, suitable to our budget. So let's choose BMW, let's choose my region, and let we choose that it's a manual. I want manual, I want petrol, and I want the price to be not higher than 3.5k. So guys, I also put some lower price here. I don't want cheap cars less than 1.2k level. This equals 1.8k euro. So guys, let's go and find good deals here, and the same we'll do here. It's BMW we choose, and petrol also. You can choose LPG and petrol, and only petrol, and we choose manual. Also we'll put our price. We don't want to spend more than 4k, starting from 1k. Okay, and here we see some deals. This is 318, 316. I don't want 316. That one is interesting. I don't want E39 right now. We have TIs, but TIs are hard to sell. This is too weak. I want 6-cylinder. Oh, we have. Oh, sorry guys, I haven't choose here my location. That's why I see so many results. Okay, so we have that one. Let we see that one too. What do we have here? This one. That one not interested right now. Okay guys, I am more interested now in E36, I think. So that's why I will stop here and look at here. E36, 316 too weak for my taste. This one is cheap. This one is interesting, although it's a compact, and this one Coupe, I think. Let's see. Okay guys, let's see the first ad. It's a green BMW 318. It doesn't look so bad actually. It looks pretty clean inside. Oh, have damage on the seat. That's often here some rust maybe, of course, but overall it's in a good condition. You see that? That's a rust here. Okay, that's not a bad idea because it costs only 800 euro, and it's with a very durable 4-cylinder 1.8 liter petrol engine. But for now I'll go and review the others. Here I can close. This one is E46 in a nice blue Santorini color. It's a Coupe 320 Ci. Bad images. That one looks good too, but I already had 323 Ci, so I'll skip it right now. And this is 116 horsepower, but different colors here. Doesn't look good at all. I don't like that one. I don't know. And what's left, only this one and this Coupe. Let's see this Coupe. I'm more at Coupe because I haven't had until now a chance to drive one, and I think it will be pretty cool to have in our channel with E36. And 320 is a legend. It's a very underpowered engine, but it's a 6-cylinder with nice power, with nice smooth power, and with nice sound. It has some music here. No rust on the fenders, sparkle, sport steering wheel, nice shifter, the roof, and it's really wow. It has a sport suspension, guys. You see maybe coilovers on the front. It has a spoiler. It has a non-fabrical exhaust, and it looks pretty clean. I'm gonna take a look at that one because I really like it. I think I saw all the photos. Let's see what we say here. It has almost 300,000 kilometers, manual, 2-liter, 150 horsepower, Coupe from 95th year, with only uh, outside problems, but no rust. Everything is paid, and I think it's pretty legal in documents. So only this, but that doesn't bother me. Nowadays it's really hard to find a good Coupes already because they are already not many on the market in that state without any rust. So I think I'm gonna take a look at that one as the most promising first one. Let's take this number and call the guy and make an arrangement and meeting to see the car. Okay guys, let's get out of the computer, take my phone and call it. Okay guys, I think that will be our first car. I'll now call this guy to see how is the car like, and then we go to see the car. I'll see the car and tell you what's the result. Guys, I've just returned from viewing the car. I was with the owner. The owner is a young man. He is very keen on BMWs. This is his second car and he don't need it anymore, but the car is in good state. It's only 150 horsepower, but it's a Coupe and so nice, so direct to drive it. I drove it and I really like it. It's really low. It used KW suspension in front, so it's really lower. It's on coilovers, yeah, and overall the engine is healthy, feels nice acceleration, although smooth and wide, and very direct steering. It has a sport steering wheel, as you saw on the photos. It has some minor damages on the body, but no rust guys at all, no rust, and this 6 cylinders is like a charm. So guys, I have agreed with him to buy the car for 2,700 level, which is around 1,360 euro, which is actually in my budget. I'll also have some money to pay to the in order to transfer on my name the car. So guys, tomorrow I'll be taking the car and I'll show it to you. That is our first car, and I think we can sell it much higher. The car was first priced at 1.6k euro, but I managed to lower down the price with 300 euro, almost 300, no, with 250 euro, which is a great bargain for that price and for what we received. No any oil leaks, bigger oil leaks I saw, and the car looks nice. So guys, fingers crossed, tomorrow we can take the car and drive it together. Guys, I bought the car. I'm already inside driving and it's in the sunset, and it cost me 1.4k euro so far, and I paid for administrative tax around 60 euro to transfer it to my ownership. And yeah, I still need some paperwork in the police, but it's already mine. I have a contract and it's pretty cool. I've been driving some kilometers, and it has a really nice exhaust, and it's very noisy. Yeah, you hear the noise of the 6-cylinder, and the gears seems long, although it's only 150 horsepower. It's really nice to drive, very stiff, because it used KV sport suspension, coilovers in the front, and it's really low. It has this Parco steering wheel with missing horn, ABS not working, but we'll cover that in the next video. I'll show you and review the car, what needs to be fixed and so on. And so guys, stay tuned for our next driving video, because driving of this car is so spirited. We just need some curvy road to feel the real handling and power of this 2-liter 6-cylinder M52 engine. So guys, now I'm going down near the sea, and yeah, listen to that sound. It just fills your soul. Okay guys, subscribe, put the notification on so that you receive an alert for our next video, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Bye bye.